12 नंबर पे भी भीड़ थी, 14-15 पे भी भीड़ थी, 16 नंबर पे भी, जितनी प्रयागराज की गाड़ियाँ थी वहाँ पर ज्यादातर भीड़ थी।
से उनका मौत हो गई।
मौत हो गई। किसकी मौत हो गई है?
मेरी मम्मी
आप लोग
थी।
कितने लोग थे? आप लोग क्या प्रयागराज ही जा रहे थे?
मिले हैं कब उनसे?
मिली है ना,
कितना दिन पहले मिले होंगे?
3 महीना हो गया। खाली बातें करत रही फोन पर, वीडियो कॉलिंग चाहे ऐसी ही बात करत रही।
कौन क्लास में पढ़ते थे?
छठा में।
हम करीब 8 बजे करीब रेलवे स्टेशन पहुंचे थे। रेलवे स्टेशन पहुंचने के बाद जीने से नीचे प्लेटफॉर्म की तरफ जा रहे थे। जीने पर भीड़ में हमारा परिवार दब गया, जिसमें मेरी बहन दब गई, छोटे वाले भाई की वाइफ, मेरी वाइफ, मेरी बेटी, छोटी वाली, बड़ी वाली, ये सारे दब गए थे। तो इनको तो निकाल लिया। मेरी बहन बहुत देर बाद मिली, वो करीब आधे घंटे लग गए उसे ढूंढने में।
It is totally the responsibility of the Indian Railways and the Rail Minister. And I will say this very categorically, the responsibility and whatever has happened is because of the mismanagement of the railways and the arrogance of a minister who refuses to be held accountable. Please understand the number of rail accidents that have happened. Understand the number of derailments that have happened. Understand even in Mumbai we had a stampede situation in Bandra station. Yet there is no one taking the responsibility, and we come up and we have ministers and ministries sent through sources based information putting out that this was a conspiracy against India, conspiracy against the railway ministry,
What happened was that there was an announcement about a train, about the delay of Prayagraj Express, and also about another train that was to leave from platform 14. Now, there was also allegations that wrong announcement happened, and this could have led to the tragedy. Now, it is up to the inquiry as to what exactly happened. These are mere allegations that have been leveled by the people who were caught in the stampede and also by the family members. So one has to wait and see what comes out in the inquiry report.
Officials have said very clearly that there was a sudden surge of the passengers. They say that all of a sudden it all happened within 10 minutes, and they say that in that 10 minutes there was a sudden surge of the passengers. It was very unexpected and the officials could not contain the crowd. They say, one of the DCP is coming on record to say that there has been an overselling of the train tickets. Now this raises some serious concerns, including accountability in the same. How is it that the tickets were oversold? Were the authorities not aware of it? Why did they not take enough preliminary measures to ensure that a tragedy can be averted? Details also suggest that there were 2 trains that were delayed. When they arrived at the platform at the same time, there was suddenly a huge surge in the crowd, and the police officials could not finally contain the crowd.